Hey Naturally Told fam, welcome back to another video in my house hunting series. Today I'll be showing you Sandown Palms located in Portmore, St. Catherine. Now this is a new development by the Housing Agency of Jamaica, and these properties, the application will be opening on September 5th, 2022. Now in this video I'll be giving you a tour of what the model unit currently looks like, showing you where it is you can locate this property should you be interested, and giving you all the details you'll need before applying. If that's something you're interested in, then definitely stick around as I get into the video. So Sandown Palms will be located in Portmore, St. Catherine. The development is located across from the Ascot group of schools. So the entrance will be taken from Northwest 12th Street on the intersection with Northwest 11th Street. So you can see across the road from where I am is the Ascot High School, and the intersection in which I'm standing, you'll be able to see that this is the Northwest 12th Street. Now, right here against the road is actually where they're storing their building material and equipment, and the property is actually located behind this area. So Ascot Group of Schools. So Sandown Palms will be a gated community consisting of 148 housing solutions, and that will be a mixture of 71 duplex townhouse units and 6 standalone units of a similar design. Now the development is located approximately 20 kilometers west of Kingston and comprises of 5.2 hectares or 13 acres of land. So it's located in Portmore areas, allowing easy access to the commercial hubs of Portmore, Spanish Town and Kingston. It's literally about 5 to 10 minutes away from Price Mart, so you know that can give you an idea of where it is, and it will have easy access to the Highway 2000 or the North-South Highway. So when I got to the property, they were currently in the construction of the model units. Now this here gives you an idea of, this is really the back entrance. So this will be the washroom area. And then there is the living and dining open concept that will also have a half bathroom, also known as the powder room, on the ground floor. Now for the model unit, so far they have not constructed the first floor, which would be the 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. However, I'll also be giving you a view from the front of the property, what it is these townhouse units will look like. So based on what I would have just shown you, there would be a back patio that is 9 feet 2 inches by 5 feet 8 inches, and a laundry room that is 5 feet 5 inches by 5 feet 2 inches. This is the land space here that has been cleared out so far for the development of the 148 units, and the area there that is currently being used for storage for equipment and material. I'm also going to give you a view of the property and from this end, which is where you will have the porch area to enter the building. Now the porch is going to be 6 feet 5 inches by 5 feet 1 inch, and then that will lead into the living area. So as you can see, they are attached to townhouses, and then you'll have the entrance here, which is the porch area, which then leads into the living room. So I'll just step in so that you can get a basic idea of what the space looks like outside of the measurements just provided. And as you can see, they have not yet started the construction for the first floor, which will host the 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Now these bedrooms there'll be a master bedroom and a smaller bedroom. The smaller bedroom, second bedroom, will be 10 feet 10 inches by 10 feet 1 inch. It will also have a closet, and then you'll have the master bedroom, which is 14 feet 7 inches by 10 feet 5 inches, which will also have its own bathroom and closet. So this property will show you what the attached townhouses will look like in the model house, and they also have to the side one that is detached. So you'll be able, once completed, to see what both units will look like at the end. Now, based on the HAJ information placed out today, applications will open for these townhouses on Monday, September 5th at 8:30 a.m. And of course, the starting price is $22.1 million, and these costs will vary depending on the lot size. Now, the applications, of course, you'll be able to go to hajl.gov.jm to apply. I will put the link to where the application is down in the description section so that you'll have ease of access to apply for same. Noting that the amenities stated for this property is that it will be a gated community. It'll have a guardhouse entrance. We'll also have jogging trail, commercial park, kiddies play area, football field, multi-purpose court, and landscape and open space areas. I did also try to get a time-lapse video of what the journey from Price Mart to Sandown Palms would look like. The video is a little bit shaky, but I do hope that you will still get a basic idea of how to get there from Price Mart in Portmore. Now, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If it is you found this video interesting, then definitely go ahead and share this video with someone you know. If it is you are interested in applying for this, the link is provided in the description box. You can click it once applications open on September 5th at 8:30 a.m. Or you can also share this video with a family member or friend, or just sharing it on your social media. You'll never know who is in your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your Instagram that might be interested in this property, and they will be able to use this to get the information that is needed. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please go ahead and hit subscribe so that you will know when I post again, when you hit that notification bell, and you can stay up to date with the information being provided. And of course, leave me a comment down below to let me know your thoughts on the video and if you'd like to see future videos like this being put forth. Now, thank you again for watching the video, and of course, I'll end my video by saying continue to be your most authentic self, and of course, guys, continue to stay naturally. Until the next video, walk good.